There is no bathroom for me here. There is no bathroom. There is no colored bathrooms in this building or any building outside the West Campus, which is half a mile away. Did you know I have to walk to Timbuktu just to relieve myself? And I can't use one of the handy bikes. Picture that, Mr. Harrison. My uniform, skirt below my knees, my heels, and a simple string of pearls. Well, I don't own pearls. Lord knows you don't make colors enough to afford pearls. And I work like a dog, day and night, living off coffee from a... But none of you want to touch. So, excuse me if I have to use the restroom a few times a day.
And where was that from?
And you stayed there. Because last time you didn't stay in it.
Yeah.
I'm going to feel it more when you stay in that character before the director says cut.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Yes.
It's going to make more of an impact. Because do you have a boyfriend or a husband or whatever?
A boyfriend.
Okay, cool. So when you guys argue, you're not going to go, a few times a day. No, you going to be in his face a few times a day.
Yeah.
And stay there. Because you know that he means business.
Yes,
He means
yes,
business. And he's going to be like this. Oh. You know? So that's what I'm saying. So that was great. That was awesome. That was much better. Don't be afraid to use your body language. Like I like when you point it out the window. I want to see this. My clothes. I want you to refer my uniform. You know what I mean? I want you to do all of that because we can see. And also, as soon as you start engaging like that, it's going to make you go even deeper into what you're saying. Does that make sense? So the next time you do it, think about that. Where can I use this gesture? Where can I use this gesture? Where can I use what gesture? Or if you're saying something on the floor, or sitting on the floor, pointing to that project. You know what I mean? You don't have to get on the ground, but I mean use. Like, do me a favor, do this. Right, exactly. See what I mean?
Yes.
It's a whole body language anger.
A uniform.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to go there.
Yeah.
And it's basically an exercise to free yourself, to express that.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
This acting is an expression of emotion.
Yes.
Don't be afraid. You know what I mean? Good job.
Modeling Bootcamp, all about acting with top acting coach Ricky Stokes here. Yes. Y'all see I added that top, like I'm top model coach. I put top acting coach on his. Yes. And what was your monologue just now that you just did?
Hidden Figures from Catherine G. Johnson.
Awesome. And you are?
Sue-Lene Scott.
From?
South Africa.
Yay! Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.